Hey y'all, this is Billy from Perma Pastures Farm. Okay, we had a whole list of other things we were planning on getting done today, but that all comes to an end just based on this. Doesn't necessarily come to an end, but this takes higher priority. So what are you looking at back there? It's a swarm of bees. Almost certainly came from one of our hives, and it is massive. So it's going to take a certain bit of engineering, but we're going to get over there with some ladders, get up there, probably have to cut that branch down and get those guys put in a box, add them to the rest of the bees. All right, forgive me if you can't see my face right now, but with these little flying snapping turtles, I ain't taking the risk. Folks, I guess the point I'm trying to convey here is that when we first started doing videos about these bees, they freaked me out. And I wasn't a big fan of doing it. But with a little bit of time and a little bit of practice, here I am picking up bees, which is one of the most exhilarating feelings in the world. When you grab a hold of those bees and you feel this, it's not just a buzzing, it's more than I can possibly describe. But folks, it is one cool experience, one cool feeling. Okay, so enough of my excitement. Let me tell you what's next. Okay, hopefully we snatched up a queen or something like it when we knocked that branch off. Didn't go exactly as planned, but we hope we got them in there. We got a few of them still on the ground over there. I guess, and like I said, I'm still a novice at this. If there is a queen in there, these guys are going to find their way back to her. So we're going to leave them here until tonight, and then tonight, when we get finished with the chores and get ready to call it a day, we'll police this up and put them in there with their other bee cousins. So, there you have it, folks. Another swarm. Last year, I think we got 6 of them. We're going to keep an eye out and see how many we can get. We made some bad mistakes, but we do not intend to make those same mistakes this time. So, folks, remember, subscribe, hit the notification bell. We're doing all kinds of cool stuff like capturing bee swarms. So until next time, this is Billy, the Permaculture Pimp Daddy, where PIMP stands for permaculture is my passion. We'll see you next time.